In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LastPass Families. If you're managing logins for a household, this is a simple way to share passwords, notes, and other credentials securely without texting or writing them down. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what you'll see, along with a few tips so you feel confident the first time you use it. First, go to the LastPass website and open your vault. You can do this in any modern browser. If you're prompted to sign in, complete that as you normally would. For the best experience, make sure you're on the official LastPass site and that your connection is secure. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method nearby so you can get into your vault smoothly. Once you're in your vault, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Families. This is the dedicated area for managing your household's shared access. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the menu or widening your browser window. On mobile, the Families option may be tucked under the main menu icon, but the experience is similar once you open it. Inside Families, you'll find an overview of your current family group. This is where you can review who already has access, what's being shared, and whether anything needs attention. You'll notice a clear option to add a member. This is the control you'll use when you want to bring someone into your family group so they can access shared items from their own account rather than borrowing yours. When you choose to add a member, you'll be guided to send an invitation to their email. They'll receive instructions to accept and, if needed, to set up their own LastPass account. This keeps everyone's personal vault private while still allowing shared access to selected items. You can decide whether to grant broader management rights or keep them as a standard member, and you can select shared folders for them now or assign access later. Nothing from your personal vault becomes visible unless you intentionally place it into a shared folder. After your invite is accepted, you'll see the new person appear in your family's panel. From that same area, you can update their access, remove them if needed, or adjust who can see specific shared folders. Changes take effect quickly, so it's easy to keep access current. A helpful tip: organize shared items into clearly named folders like streaming or utilities so everyone knows where to find what they need. That's all there is to it. Open your vault, click Families, then review your members or add a new one. With these basics, you're set to share securely and keep your household running smoothly.